Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a new version of Firefox if you are a user of the Firefox browser. So Firefox 123 is now available. You can go to the upper right corner hamburger menu, go down to Help, and to About Firefox. You will be sent to 123.0, released today, February 20th. What's new in here? Well, the first one is that when new tabs are open, you can still search for whatever you want to search for, which was already there, but there will be more interaction on each tabs that you can actually do and search and look for. There's also a tool, and the tool is for reporting websites that are broken. What that means is that Firefox uses a different engine from all the other browsers that are all Chromium based. So there's kind of, a unity that all the websites are made for Chromium, and not all of them think about other browser possibilities. And although Firefox does a great job at rendering the website, sometimes it can just be broken or not right. So when you're on a website, you can go and the hamburger menu, and you can actually click the report broken sites. So if you go to a website, say I'm going to go here, and I have a problem with this website, then I can go in the hamburger menu, say report broken site, and it's going to choose a reason for it to be broken, what is happening exactly, and you can describe the problem and then send in. And what they'll do, they'll be looking at why the website just doesn't work the way it should be. And so this is the new feature. And for the rest, a lot of little things that are mostly for developers and in the different options of Firefox. But there are 12 security fixes in here. So even if you don't really care about the new features, for security reasons, it's not a bad idea to actually update to 1.123, as this contains 12 security fixes that will prevent you from having problems and maybe malware online. This is your first line of defense. Your browser is where it touches the web and touches the different websites, and depending on where you go, well, sometimes it could be helpful to have the latest, greatest browser. So check it out, Firefox 123. It is out now, and you can update to have the latest, at least the latest security features. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.